Some students love calculus, some student hates calculus because of these integral things. I do love this. Okay, see, it says fx is a function whose graph is also given to us, and it says find the integration of 3x squared minus 4x, but there is no limit provided to us. What that means? It means indefinite integral is to be calculated. See, integration of any x raised to the power n dx is given by increase one power, so it will become x raised to the power n plus 1 divided by the same power n plus 1, and you have to add a constant of integration plus c. But remember that power must not be minus 1. Otherwise, the formula is different. So this formula is also available in your formula booklet. Here we have to integrate this function. So let's do it step by step. For 3x squared, 3 as it is, you have x, increase the power of x, which will become 3, whole divided by the same power 3, minus 4. Now for the x part, increase one power, originally its power is 1. So if I add one more power to it, will become 2 divided by 2. Now you have to add a constant of integration also, because it is indefinite integral. So overall my answer to the first part is 3 and 3 cancelled. Okay, we get x raised to the power 3 minus 2x squared plus c. Okay, that is indefinite integral, or the answer to the first part. Second part, find the area of the region enclosed by f x-axis between the lines x equal to 2 and x equals to 4. See, what happens is, if you have to find the area, okay, under the curve, then you have to take the lower limit. What is that here? Lower limit is 2, upper limit is 4. So 2 to 4. For that curve, what is that curve? This curve, fx value. So we have 3x squared minus 4x dx. That is the area under the curve from 2 to 4, because this fx function this time is positive. You can see the graph of this fx is lying completely above the x-axis in this given range. So if it is lying completely above the x-axis, then you can directly apply this. Okay, if the graph is below the x-axis, then you have to find the area. You have to find separate values and take the modulus and then add them up. Okay, that I will discuss in later sessions also. So here let's integrate it. You already know what's the integration of that. So put that upper limit and lower limit. We got x raised to the power 3 minus 2x squared plus c. Now we have to substitute the limits. Lower limit is 2, upper limit is 4. Once you do the integration, this is called definite integral, because limits are given here. And the first one, that one was indefinite, because there were no limits given. Now, if the limits are given, what's the process? In place of x, substitute the upper limit. Okay, so you will get 4 cubed minus 2 times 4 squared plus c. That's the upper limit. Then put a minus sign. Then in place of x everywhere, put the lower limit. That gives us 2 raised to the power 3 minus 2 times 2 raised to the power 2 plus c. Now simplify it. That's your answer. Yep. So we got this 4 cube, which is 64, minus 16 times 2, which is 32, plus c, minus 8, minus becomes plus 8 minus c. So simplify it, we get our answer. What is that? 8 cancelled, c minus c cancelled, 32 is the value. 32 square units is the area. It is simple. In order to find the area under a curve, check whether they want you to find the area with the x-axis or with the y-axis. If it is with the x-axis, integrate with respect to dx. If it is to be calculated with the y-axis, in that case you have to put dy. Take the limits of y in that case. Some students feel difficulty in applying the concepts to the question. Sometimes they get stuck. So I am going to tell you how to apply those concepts in the questions. I'll make it very easy for you. So if you are in middle year program, IBDP, MAI, HL, SL, MAA, HL, SL, AP Calculus, ABBC, or any engineering math course, feel free to connect with us. You can contact us using this WhatsApp number or you can call us using this. You can also scan this QR code with WhatsApp to get connected with us. You can join our courses with flexible timings and one-on-one or group sessions are available or custom exam preparation where either you can choose for the full year course or few classes for your exam preparation. So scan the code, book your free demo today.